Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Surabhi. Today I'm going with a busy book for my 5-year-old. We homeschool, and this is a little girl of mine. She is okay in maths, but we're still going to deal with the bigger numbers more than 50, which she's very scared of. So we are doing here place value, dealing with bigger numbers in terms of addition, and skipping by 5 and some more puzzles, just practicing more of addition. So first thing is finding the number. So tens and ones she does very well in manipulatives. So now we are going to do it on in one dimension, rather than she can't touch, but she can 10, 20, 30. So she's a kinesthetic learner, so her attention span is very less. So it takes a lot of effort for her to sit and count each of them, and like making sure that she doesn't miss anything. So it's a big deal for her to sit and just do 3 countings. She's good if she has a manipulative, but this needs to be learned now. Second one, again we're dealing with the bigger numbers, which she is very scared of. We're doing some subtraction, some addition, though it's very simple. So like 95 minus 2. So 95, she'll get simply panicked. So usually we do it, I asked her to jump. If 95, go back. 94. Okay. And then 93. So like that, or we'll use manipulators, but just I wanted to use dealing with bigger numbers more than 50. So that's the intention here. So we are just adding plus 2 here. So just want to make sure that she understands the pattern, that when a number increases here by 1, she'll also be just increase of 1 because this number is same. So when she does addition using manipulative or manually, I'll explain to her, see, just one increasing. So no big deal, don't be worried, just do it simply. Here we are doing again a math puzzle, number puzzle, basic plus 5 plus 10, 20. Numbers are very simple. 5 plus 5, 10. 5 plus 10, 15. 5 plus 20, 25. So we're dealing in a skip counting of 5 mainly, and that's what we want to practice here. Again, dealing with big numbers in the term of sequencing, like if it's 78, after 70 comes 79, 80, 81. So for my 5-year-old, these big numbers look really scary. So that's what it's very important for me to do simple puzzles so she gets comfortable with bigger numbers. Again, we are doing count by 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 1, 6. So this is confusing. So first she has to figure out the difference between 1 and 6 is just 5. So it's again a skip counting by 5, but not like simple 5 stable. This is 5 stable. This is 1, 6 plus 5. Kitna hota hai? Plus 5 plus 5. So basically she's practicing another level of addition. Again, 3 and 8 is a different level of addition, though it's just adding by 5. So she should figure it out. And this one is a puzzle. So here I have kept it very simple, that if the 4 plus what will be equal to 8 and 4 minus what will be equal to 0. Once she can figure out these two numbers, then this will be easy. And this is like vertical is equal to 0 and vertical is equal to 6, 8. Same way, 4 plus what will be equal to 7. 4 plus what will be equal to 8. Once you figure these two numbers, then this number can be figured out. So basically addition, subtraction, just in a fun interactive way rather than a big worksheet, because that scares my girl out. So hope you like it. Thank you. Bye bye.